2026, 10 crazy ways people made money just watching YouTube. You won't believe number 7. Imagine earning money just by watching videos. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you there are people making a fortune from just sitting on their couches? Stick around because in the next few minutes I'm revealing 10 outlandish ways people have been cashing in simply by tuning into YouTube. And you won't believe what method ranks as number 7. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the most fascinating ways people are turning everyday activities into income. Today, we're exploring 10 crazy ways people have made real money just by watching YouTube. From quirky side hustles to ingenious apps, you won't want to miss this. First up, the binge-watching challenge. Did you know there's a trend called binge-watching challenges? Some companies pay viewers to watch a series of videos continuously over a set period. Platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars incentivize users to watch sponsored content. Imagine getting paid to binge your favorite show while in your pajamas, or while you could be making extra cash for doing so. Pretty wild, huh? Next, becoming a video reactor. Are you someone who loves sharing your opinions? Well, video reactors do just that, and they're getting paid for it. By recording your reactions to the latest trending YouTube videos and sharing them on your platform, you can garner views and ad revenue. Some YouTubers even bring in thousands of dollars per video just by hitting record and showing genuine reactions. Hold on, what if I told you that some people make money just by falling asleep on camera? It sounds bizarre, but it's true. Stick around because we're getting to that in just a bit. So, you probably comment on videos anyway, right? But a few savvy individuals have figured out how to turn that into a revenue stream. Apps like VidMate and others actually reward users for engaging with content by commenting on videos and sharing thoughtful insights. The more engaging your comments, the more points you accrue, and those points can be converted into real-world cash. Speaking of opinions, platforms are always searching for feedback on YouTube content. Joining virtual focus groups pays participants for their insights and, well, guess what? You watch videos and get paid to discuss them with brands. Companies really value viewer input for improving their content, and this can be a pretty lucrative way to cash in on your video watching skills. Wait, have you ever thought about getting paid while learning? Because that's exactly what some viewers are doing. Stay with me as I dive deeper into this fascinating concept. Taking surveys while watching. Now, some sites actually allow viewers to watch YouTube videos and at the same time answer surveys about the videos they're viewing. For instance, sites like MyPoints will pay you to watch videos and provide feedback in real time. This kind of multitasking can not only be, productive, but also profitable. Creating highlight reels. If you're creative, this one's definitely for you. Some individuals gather clips from popular videos and edit them into highlight reels or compilations. By monetizing these compilations on their own channels, they can profit from ad revenue. Just, make sure to check copyright rules to avoid any issues. Watching videos to learn skills. This might actually be the most surprising one yet. Skilled individuals have turned learning from YouTube videos into genuine career opportunities. From mastering coding through online tutorials to applying makeup skills from beauty influencers, people have leveraged these skills into lucrative careers. In fact, even colleges recognize online learning as legitimate pathways now. It's honestly fascinating how you can monetize skills acquired while watching. And here's something hilarious. Some people have even turned reaction videos into a full-time career. It's a living that's paying off with income streams at all levels. Just imagine that. Affiliate marketing is where you promote a product and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Some viewers create content around YouTube videos, reviewing products or demonstrating items featured in various channels. When your audience buys through your link, there's a cash reward. Here's another way people are profiting from YouTube content curation. This involves curating playlists based on themes or trends and then sharing them on social media or blogs, attracting followers in the process. When your follower count rises, companies often turn to you for partnerships, making content curation another viable income stream from YouTube. Finally, let's talk about productivity. There are entire channels dedicated to watching YouTube videos focused on efficiency hacks, personal growth and learning experiences. Creators monetize by sharing their productivity tips and linking viewers to helpful content. If you're someone who thrives on motivation and wants to share that experience, consider creating a Patreon or similar platform where your audience can support you for the valuable content you provide. So there you have it. 10 crazy ways people are making money by simply watching YouTube, whether it's being paid to react, participating in surveys, or leveraging skills learned online. The opportunities are truly endless. Who knew that the content we love to consume could be a source of income? You might even be inspired to try some of these methods yourself. Now let's take a moment to reflect which of these opportunities excites you the most. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, make sure to subscribe for more amazing content that dives into fun and unique ways to make money online. Share your thoughts or your favorite method in the comments down below. And remember, the world of opportunities is vast and exciting. Stay curious, stay hungry, and see you in the next video.